Buenos días, estudiantes. We're going to go over our common words and phrases, part 3. We're going to start with our pronouns. We've been learning our present tense verb conjugations, and we know 6 forms of those verbs, and we usually think of them in the English sense, and we say the verb only and not the pronoun with it, but we need to know what the pronouns are as well, because we can use them in our sentences, but because the verb is specific, the conjugated verb is specific to that pronoun, it would be optional. It would depend on what you're saying and if you wanted to clarify or emphasize that pronoun. So here we go. I is yo. You is tú. He, she, él, ella. Formal version of you is usted, usted. We is nosotros or nosotras. And nosotros would be used with all boys or a mixed group of boys and girls. You all, vosotros, or vosotras when you're in Spain. And then you all, ustedes. They, ellos, ellas. When you want to ask, how do you feel? You say, ¿Cómo te sientes? ¿Cómo te sientes? Me siento súper, me siento fantástico, or me siento fantástica. I would say fantástica. Me siento extraordinaria, or extraordinario. The word for the would be el or los. So, el viajero, los viajeros. La or las would be la biblioteca, las bibliotecas. The word for a or an is una. So un vaso, or una limonada, una maleta. Some is unos. Unos viajeros, unas maletas. The word for who is quién. Quién. The word for what is qué. Qué. When is cuándo. Cuándo. And the word for where, when you use it with the verb estar, is donde. So you would say, ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde estás? ¿Dónde están? ¿Dónde estamos? ¿Dónde estáis? ¿Dónde estoy? Right? And the word for where, when you use it with ir, like to go, would be ¿A dónde vas? ¿A dónde van? ¿A dónde vamos? ¿A dónde vais? ¿A dónde van? Let's see, ¿a dónde voy? So, ¿a dónde? You would say to where. ¿A dónde? To where do we go? The word for every day is todos los días. Excuse me. Todos los días. We need to make it all a plural. Todos los días. The word for sometimes is a veces. A veces. The word for often is a menudo. A menudo. And the word for never is nunca. 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 Equals means son. So dos y dos son cuatro. Son equals. And false is falso. And then we introduced as well for our lesson some Chilango phrases, some Mexican slang phrases. So the word for what's up, we said was ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué onda? The word for right on, well done, come on, let's go do it is órale, 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 órale. The word for watch out or be careful is aguas, aguas con el carro, aguas. The word for in a little while would be, the phrase for in a little while, I should say, is en un ratón, en un ratón. Regularly we'd say en un ratito, en un rato. Slang would be en un ratón. The word for awesome is de pelos. This day is awesome. Este día está de pelos. The word for bike is bicla. Bicla. Short for bicicleta. The word for cool is está chido, está chida, padre, que padre, bruto, está bruta, chévere, está muy chévere, es muy chévere, buena onda, there's that last one, buena onda, muy buena onda, it is muy buena onda. Word for money is lana. And the word for what's wrong would be ¿qué te picó? Or if you don't want to use slang, you'd say ¿qué te pasó? ¿Qué te pasa? But if you want to use slang, you'd say ¿qué te picó? You know, what bit you? ¿Qué te picó? What pricked at you? What's wrong? That is the conclusion of our word study, our phrase and word study for today. So be blessed.